Now we start to VMware. Then we see the how can easily install Windows 10 within the VMware 16. Then at first we create a new virtual machine, then click we can see the typically recommendation and the customize the advanced we can customize, and then if we can select typically, then we can at last moment we can customize, and then select customize, then click next. At first time we can see that the customize prompt we can go on by step customize from next. Then we see that typically prompt that not a customize, but it at last we can easily customize all of the menu we needed. Then we click the iOS prompt, then we select firstly, then we install the Windows 10, then we can select Windows 10 at least. Okay, that select OK Windows 10, then click next. We can select Windows 10 name, Win 10, name of Win 10, then we can restore as path, and storage path, then we can select D drive, then we can create a on folder, D drive, we create a folder Win 10, Win 10, then OK, then click next. Select item 30 GB, then only we can select storage single disk, a single file. We can storage virtual single file we can select must be, then we can now not a multiple needed, so that we can click next. Then we can select the customize hardware. At first you can not typically is customized, then we can customize, then we can click the RAM size increase or decrease easily, that by default 2 GB RAM size. Then we can use network prompt net, then USB prompt, select sound card, select printer, display size, select on all of the we can select by randomizing that we needed. Then we can click OK and click finish. Then we can see the installing process is Win 10 within the VMware. We can see creating a tricks is processing, and easily the VMware installing the Windows 10. The virtualization is the most favorite, so you can view this easily installation of Windows 10 using VMware. See, the VMware is starting installing Windows 10. We can see this. We can see the Win 10 is installing process the Windows 10. Then we can one by one we can see the Windows 10 is installing process is running. Then we can select the next, click, then we can install now Windows 10, and instead of starting this process is running continue within few time. After successfully the installation, then we can select we can see the Windows 10 home, Windows 10 home proactive. We can select the Win 10 Pro reactive. We can select, then click next. Then after the scrolling down, then we can description is very good, easily read, and we can understand this easily. Then we can select at last accept this order. So click next, then we click must be next the customization. We will customize this. We can select, then we want to resize the folder drive vision, that we can select the end drive later. We need it, do not need it to drive vision. Then we can select this is driving as processing at the driving was select then we clicked the on 8 GB, and that other installing is process. Then after 5th time is installing is process. Now we can pause, then 5th time we can come back. We can see the installing is processing. 87% is installing. Then we can pause. After 5th time we can come back. We can see completing 100%, then get ready. The Windows 10 installing is processing, get ready. We can see the display. After few minutes we can see the completing the installation of Windows 10. This scan processing is completing installing. After few minutes, then we can see that fast. We can, after installing process, we can click customize, then click next and click next, then click next. Okay, just a moment. We can see the username. We can see the select username. The username is XYZ. Username is XYZ. Enter password. Then click to next. Then we can see that successfully is installing is process is complete. At just a moment we can see the successful. We can see the meet the Cortana, not now. Cortana is not no needed. You can see the few time is installing its process successfully. Then get things ready, play start, turn off or PC. See, let's start. Then we can see the after few minutes the successfully Windows 10 is installing. At few time later the Windows 10 is installation complete. Recycle bin, enable, personalize. Start menu, desktop icon, computer, apply. Okay, there you can see the properties. Yeah, Windows 10 Pro. We can see after sometimes successfully installation. Thank you.